In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background to your text. If you've ever had text disappear into a busy video or photo, a clean background behind your words is the easiest way to boost readability and give your design a polished, professional look. We'll do this in CapCut, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening CapCut and heading into the editor. You can work in any project where you want text to stand out. Give the canvas a second to load so the toolbar appears clearly, and make sure your timeline is visible so you can see where your text will sit over your footage or image. Next, click on text and type any word. You can enter a single word to test the look or type a short phrase you plan to use. Place the text where you want it on the screen and adjust the size so it's easy to read. If the text is too close to the edge, drag it inward a bit to keep it within a safe area, especially if you're designing for different screen sizes. With your text selected, go to the basic section of the text settings and click on Background. This instantly adds a background shape behind your letters so they don't blend into the content behind them. If you don't see the option at first, make sure the text layer is highlighted. The background controls only appear when the text is active. Now, customize the background to match your style. Change the color to something that contrasts with your footage so the text stays legible. Try light backgrounds for dark text and darker backgrounds for light text. Explore the shape options, from rectangular blocks to rounded boxes, and tweak the corner radius for softer or sharper edges. Adjust padding to control how much space surrounds your text. A little breathing room makes it feel intentional rather than cramped. If available, fine-tune opacity to create a subtle overlay that lets some of the video show through while still keeping the text clear. You can also experiment with borders or shadows if your design calls for extra separation. A few quick tips as you refine the look. Choose colors that align with your brand or project palette. Keep text size large enough for mobile viewing, and maintain consistent spacing if you're using multiple text boxes across a video. Finally, scrub through a few frames to make sure the text stays readable over different backgrounds. That's it. You've added a clean, customizable background to your text in CapCut, and your words will now stand out exactly the way you intended.